Hello student, good morning. Today I will take the new topic, that is the classification of mollusca. And in last lecture we have to complete the general characters of mollusca. This is the classification of mollusca. The classification is adopted from Hyman L.H. in 1957 with certain modification from Parker and Haswell 1965. Class Aplycophora or Solenogasters. Class Polyplacophora. Class Monoplacophora. Class Gastropoda. Class Scaphopoda. Class Pelacopoda, class Cephalopoda. This is the 7 classes in phylum Mollusca. Number 1, Aplycophora or Solenogasters. Body is worm-like, bilaterally symmetrical and cylindrical. Head, mantle, foot, shell and nephridia are absent. Body covered with cuticle, beset with numerous calcareous spicules. Mouth and anus are terminal or subterminal at opposite end. Digestive tract straight, generally provided with a radula. A pair of coelomoducts in the form of genoducts openings into the terminal part of intestine. Or independently, a mid-dorsal longitudinal keel or crest is often present. Sexes united or separate, dioecious. Example: Chaetoderma, Lepidopomenia. Second class, Polyplacophora. Mostly bilaterally symmetrical, dorsoventrally flattened molluscus. Body elliptical, convex dorsally and flattened ventrally. Head distinct without eyes and tentacles. Cell composed of longitudinal series of 8 calcareous pieces. Foot flat and ventral, laterally bordered by a groove containing gills. Radula well developed, comprising 17 teeth. Intestine coiled with a terminal anus. A pair of nephridia extending from pericardium to the lateral groove. A pair of genoducts without relations to the pericardium. Sexes are separate, dioecious. Example: Chiton. Third class, Monoplacophora. Body bilaterally symmetrical and segmented. Shell comprises single piece or wall. Head without eyes and tentacles. Foot flat and the ventral mantle encircles the body as circular folds of the body wall. Gills external and serially arranged. 5 pairs of nephridia serially arranged. Sexes separate. Example: Neopilina, Galathea. Fourth, Gastropoda. Fourth class, Gastropoda. Gastropods are marine, freshwater, terrestrial and 2 parasites on echinoderms. Body unsegmented, asymmetrically typical with univalves. Spirally coiled shell. Head distinct, bearing tentacles. Eyes and mouth. Foot is ventral, broad flat and muscular, forming creeping sole and often bearing dorsally a hard-pitched operculum on its body and visceral mass spirally coiled, exhibiting torsion. Mouth is a collar-like fold of body wall lining the body oral, leaving a space, the mental cavity between itself and the body. Buccal cavity contains an odontoptera. Odontopore digestive system comprises a muscular pharynx, long esophagus, stomach, long coiled intestine, and the place anus, respiration by gills, and in some forms in many lungs. Circulation open heart. Heart is enclosed in pericardium, excretory organ. Metanephridial nervous system comprises distinct cerebral and pleural besides buccal, pedal, parietal, and visceral ganglia. Sexes are separate in most forms while in some form united. Development induces trochophores and villager larial stages. Example, turbo asteria. Fifth number, Scapopoda. Exclusively marine, body is bilaterally symmetrical, elongated and enclosed in a tusk-like shell, open at both ends. Eyes, tentacles and gills are absent. Mental tubular, completely enclosing the body. Mouth surrounded by labular processes or outgrowth. Foot is used for digging. Heart rudimentary, sexes separate, dioecious. Example, dentalium. Pelecypoda. Aquatic, mostly marine, some freshwater forms. Body is bilaterally symmetrical and laterally compressed. Cell consists of two lateral walls hinged together. Mid-dorsal head is not distinct. Pharynx, jaws, radula and tentacles are absent. Foot is ventral, muscular, which is plugous. Mental is bilobed, consisting of pair right and left lobes. Gills or ctenidia are paired, one on each side. Coelom is reduced to dorsally placed pericardium. Alimentary canal is coiled, large pair digestive glands. Excretory organs are paired, nephridia or kidneys. Nervous system consists of typically of 4 pairs of ganglia. Sense organs are statocyst and ospiradia. Sexes are separate or united. Development is accompanied by metamorphosis, which usually included a trochophore larva. Example, Mytilus, Pectin univo. Cephalopoda. Exclusively marine, body bilaterally symmetrical with head and trunk. Cell spiral chambered or usually with or without reduced shell embedded in the mental. Head bears large eyes and mouth. Trunk consists of a symmetrical and uncoiled visceral mass. Mental enclosed. Post and ventrally a large mental cavity. Foot altered into series of sucker bearing arms or tentacles encircling the mouth. Mouth bears jaws and radula. 2 or 4 pairs of bipectinate gills. Circulatory system closed. Heart 2 or 4 auricles. Excretory system comprises 2 or 4 pairs of nephridia. Nervous system is highly developed, and the principal ganglia are concentrated around the esophagus. Sexes are separate development, meroblastic without metamorphosis. Economic importance of mollusca. Some mollusks are indirectly harmful to man, but most of them are beneficial. The harmful mollusks are slug and silkworms. Slugs are injurious in gardens and cultivations. They not only eat the leaves but also destroy plants by cutting up their roots and stems. Pterido, the silkworms burrowing into wooden structures, immerse in the sea. It causes serious damage to various spears and sheep, but mollusks are great sources of human food in various parts of the world. Millions of manual food in the various parts of the world. Millions of mounds of clams, oysters, scabs, and mussels are eaten in China, Japan, Malaya, Europe, and America. Oyster being as delicate. Other bivalves, octopuses, and cuttlefishes furnish large quantities of food in Europe. Shell or freshwater mussels are used in the penal button industries in all parts of the world. Shells of oyster are mixed with for making rods in America, and lime from these shells is used in feeding poultry for formation of their eggs. Shells lime is also used in the buildings. This is the complete classification and economic importance of mollusca. Okay, thank you.